Wish you very good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Myself Anshu Narang from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, in the previous classes we have learnt about sense organs and their functions. Today we will do an exercise based on sense organ. So now open your General Awareness Workbook page number 40 and 41. So we will do this exercise on page number 40. Mention the date and classwork and sharpen your pencil. First, we will read the sentences, then we will do the exercise. So read with me, kids. Keep your finger downside the words. T-H-E, the, E-A-R-S, ears, E-Y-E-S, eyes, the, ears, eyes, N-O-S-E, nose, S-K-I-N, skin, A-N-D, and, T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. The ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue. A-R-E-R-C-A-L-L-E-D, called. S-E-N-S-E, sense. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. The ears, eyes, nose, skin and tongue are called sense organ. Do you remember, kids? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin are called sense organs. Now come to the next line. C-O-M-P-L-E-T-E, complete. T-H-E, the. S-E-N-T-E-N-C-E-S, sentences. Complete the sentences. W-I-T-H, with. T-H-E, the. H-E-L-P, help. O-F, of. T-H-E, the. P-I-C-T-U-R-E-S, pictures. G-I-V-E-N, given. Complete the sentences with the help of the pictures given. What we have to do in this exercise? We have to complete these sentences with the help of these pictures. Okay, kids? Now we will read the first sentence. I. H-E-A-R, here. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. I hear with my. Tell me, kids, what will be the answer? I hear with my ears, with my ears. I hear with my ears. So what we have to write here? We have to write ears. So tell me, what is the spelling of ears? E-A-R-S, ears. So we have to write a small E-A-R-S, ears. I hear with my ears. I hear with my ears. Now the second sentence is I-T-A-S-T-E, taste. I taste. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. I taste with my tongue. Which picture is this, kids? This is tongue. So what we have to write here? Tongue. Who will tell me the spelling of tongue? Do you remember? T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. So we have to write here the spelling of the tongue. Speak with me. T-O-N-G-U-E. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. Very good, kids. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. I hear with my ears and I taste with my tongue. Come to the next. I-S-E-E-C-W-I-T-H, with. M-Y. I see with my. Which picture is this? This is the picture of eyes. So what we have to write here? Eyes. I see. I see with my eyes. So what is the spelling of eyes? Tell me. E-Y-E-S. E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-Y-E-S, eyes. So come to the next. Which sentence is this? I-S-M-E-L-L, smell. I smell. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. I smell with my nose. With my nose. Which picture is this? This is nose. So tell me, I smell with my nose. Very good. And what is the spelling of nose? Write down here. N-O-S-E, nose. N-O-S-E, nose. I smell with my nose. Move to the next. I-F-E-E-L, feel. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. I feel with my, what is this? This is skin. This is our skin. So what we have to write here? Skin. I feel with my skin. So the spelling of skin is S-K-I-N. S-K-I-N, skin. Now we will revise these sentences. So speak with me. I-H-E-A-R, here. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. E-A-R-S, ears. I hear with my ears. I-T-A-S-T-E, taste. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. I taste with my tongue. I taste with my tongue. What is the spelling of tongue? T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. I-S-E-E-C, W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. E-Y-E-S, eyes. I see with my eyes. So then tell me, what is the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S, eyes. E-A-R-S, ears. T-O-N-G-U-E, tongue. E-Y-E-S, eyes. Now come to the next. I-S-M-E-L-L, smell. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. I smell with my nose. And the spelling of nose is N-O-S-E, nose. I-F-E-E-L, feel. W-I-T-H, with. M-Y, my. I feel with my skin. S-K-I-N, skin. So, okay, these are sense organs: ears, tongue, eyes, nose and skin. To practice in your general awareness workbook, page number 40 and 41. Color the pictures beautifully and don't forget to revise the previous topics also. Bye. Have a good day.